What's good, you boys? It's your boy Gilly. Today we have some major spreadsheet updates. This sheet's been running for about 6 years. It was time for some updates, and I'm going to go over everything in this video because they're groundbreaking. I've taken your feedback and I've implemented majority of the features you guys wanted. Faster load times, better viewing, better items. Let's get right into it. Here's the spreadsheet here. You can tell the main page has a little bit of a different look. So one of the big problems we had was just the load times. I won't go into the specifics. We fixed a few of them. Some of the images were way too big. If you were scrolling on phone, it was not loading. We've also cleared the cells on the right side. The cell data really slows down the sheet, so it should be running smoothly. Now you may notice there's now 2 columns. Instead of just doing 1 column, we've gone ahead and done 2. Rather than having 10,000 lines and it taking ages to get to the bottom, it's gonna be about half the lines, but the same amount of items. You can see at the top, we've got the floating header for the Discord as well. If you guys have any problems with the sheet, things you want implemented, broken links, you can click that, come to the Discord and complain to me and we'll fix it straight away. That way your messages don't get buried deep in my DMs. We can fix it straight away. Now, one of the main quality of life changes you guys wanted. If you're new to buying shoes, I get this all the time. What's the best version for X? What's the best version for Y? What's the cheapest version? We fixed that. So you're going to notice on some of the shoes, you're going to see a little yellow logo here. That means it is the best version. You can see the batch name and it will say like over here, best version link. So you guys that have money to spend and you just want the best quality possible, that's how you find it. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the purple one here. That is the best price to quality or budget version. I've just gone completely away from super budget badges that are just terrible quality and no one should buy them to badges that are not perfect, but they're very good for the cheap price they are, if that makes sense. You'll see that down here with these as well. It's the best price to quality, and these all refer to the shoe BATCH. I can't say it on YouTube page. So that page has all the information you need about what's the best, worst. These are referring to that. So just to make it simple for you, you can just narrow it down. Find the best version as quick as possible. Up here, I only have done the first one, but we've got the listen guys, this shit takes a long time, months on this. You click here and it will do the jump link. You can see it's highlighting the category there. Obviously it's right there, so it's not moving the page. These will have links. So if you're after pants, you can click this. It'll be like a blue link and it will take you straight to the pants, hoodies, bags, tech, everything. Same thing goes for that. Also up the top here are all my official pages, especially on TikTok. I'll keep this short. No one really gives a fuck. On TikTok, there's so many fake pages of me, AI pages of me up here. Whenever I have a new TikTok or I'm posting on TikTok, that's how you see what my official page is, just so you are not following a fake version of me. So just double check you're following my official account. There's hundreds of fake versions of me, so just be careful there. Then if you scroll down to about line 54, it's going to be the haul item. So you guys will see the YouTube videos of the hauls. They'll be added to here. If you prefer to, rather than join the Discord, come to the sheet. It'll all be found here in order. Everything will be here. If it's out of stock, I'll tell you it's out of stock, but they'll all get added to here. Each time you see a haul, you can just come back to here. Also, quick disclaimer, this is a new sheet. This is not going to be on my old sheet. It's a duplicate with a new layout. So if you've got my old sheet saved, top link in the description, you'll be able to find this one, save this one. The old one will still be public, but not updated. We had to swap it because the other one was an XLS spreadsheet. So it was constantly saving and updating and it was causing a lot of issues for you guys. So this is just a basic spreadsheet. You'll have none of those problems. I've also added about 2,000 new lines. So if you haven't checked the sheet in a while, there'll be a bunch of new stuff in here for you. Everything at the top of the sheet will be from like the best sellers. I'm going to make a seller page so you guys can see who's the best for each brand. That's coming soon, so bear with me on that. But we've got everything from socks, except like literally everything. There's over 10,000 lines in total. Chinese brands, tech, desk items. I'm going to say 75% I've actually bought and got in hand. All the stuff I have in hand is at the top of the sheet. And then if you guys want to look at the other pages as well, down the bottom here, we've got just a strictly shoe page. We've got the tech and desk items page. We've got the Chinese brands page. All these will also be put onto the main page because we've looked at the data. No one even goes to these pages, but if you do go to these pages, they are going to be here as well. Price, rates, there'll be a seller page. It'll all be in here. By the time you're seeing this video, it'll be fully updated, completely changed. Please join the Discord. Let me know anything you want to be changed, added. I take all feedback on board. But my last sheet had about 7 million views. It was probably the biggest sheet on the internet. So it's time I had an update. And every time I do update it, I'll let you know on this channel. So drop a sub if you're new around here. I love each and every single one of you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.